Hola chicos, welcome to my Tenerife travel vlog. I was unsure if I was going to be able to take this trip because at the time Tenerife was in level 3 and I didn't know if I would be able to enter, but all I had to do was fill out this travel form right here at the airport that said my reason for traveling was tourism, and they let me into the island. No problemo. So here's a little look at my trip to Tenerife. I love the Binter planes. If you've ever been on a Binter plane, I'm sure you understand. I did not get a window seat on my flight. I had a window seat, but the woman next to me had motion sickness, so unfortunately I gave her my seat. And here I am arriving in La Laguna airport, or in Tenerife Norte airport, and I had to change because it was so cold. My friend picked me up from the airport and we drove through Santa Cruz, which is where she lives, and that night we just got dinner in Santa Cruz and took our trip from there. Where are we, Anna? Roque de Garcia. Yeah, me too. This is a nice view. Hey. Buen provecho. And cheese. That is a ton of cheese. Oops. Zona de mar. Peligro, exprima la precaución. Danger. Oh yeah, I wouldn't want to drive on this. We're going to Los Patos Beach, but we have to climb down this first. Wish us luck! We found stairs! Okay. We are now going to Encuentro to buy clothes. Because we do not look presentable enough for dinner. We are now more or less presentable. Ready for dinner. These flowers are called birds of paradise. Yeah. No, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. That's beautiful. There's a teatro, a church. Oh, SAUZAL. Michelin 2020. Did you put twice? Yeah. We made it to the terraza. None of them say. There's bread, chips, and guacamole. Mojo butter. That looks amazing. What is? Oh, this is the lapas. It is. It does look nice. Buenas noches. We are going on a hike in Anaga on route TF3. We're going to go through the BOSQUE ENCANTADO, which is one of the only forests left from the Jurassic era. Un poco. Tenemos ¿cuántas horas? 5 horas de camino. 5 horas de camino, así tenemos tiempo para grabar. Hola chicas, estamos de sendero cerca de las ovejas y flores. Cuervo.
¿Cómo se dice cuervo?
Yo no.
En inglés. Estos, en inglés. Estos. Cuervo es este.
Ese es una
eso.
cabra.
¿Cabra? No, pero los cuervos.
Horns.
Yeah. Hemos venido de casa de
Fuimos de Casa de la Cumbre.
Casa de la Cumbre está a
Pero
3
mira,
kilómetros.
vamos a volver a Casa de Cumbre porque te
Pues
acuerdas
no
que
hemos
tenemos
caminado
que
ni
bajar-
la mitad.
Tenemos que bajar un poquito por la carretera y por eso. Pero primero Casa Forestal.
We are sweating a lot.
No puedo.
Estamos sudando
Demasiado.
demasiado. Porque ahora subimos. Now we're going up the mountain. Which is hard in a different way. I think going down the mountain was worse. Because of my shoes. I don't know. When we go the wrong way, there's an X so that we know we have to go this way. We made it to the end. Ends on a lovely highway. Why? Oh.
We were on the trail the whole time.
Except for when we weren't.
We were.
We almost went off the trail, but no, we were on the trail. Video and action. Bread, wine, ambiance.
¿O quieres tomarte el olivo?
This is hot.
She got scared. Look, oh, her tail went under her.
So it's my last day here in Tenerife. I think I'm just gonna wander around Santa Cruz, and then later I'm gonna take a stop over in La Laguna and after La Laguna, I'll go to the airport.